Good day, my name is Harty Managbanag, BSIT 2A. Subject, Network Basics, Network Management. Title, OSI Physical Layer. Introduction. The role of the OSI Physical Layer is to encode the binary digits that represent data link layer frames into signals and to transmit and receive these signals across the physical media, copper wires, optical fiber, and wireless that connect network devices. Physical layer defines electrical and physical specifications for devices. The physical layer defines the relationship between a device and the transmission medium, such as a copper or optical cable. Body. Physical layer is the bottommost layer in the Open System Interconnection or OSI model, which is a physical and electrical representation of the system. It consists of various network components such as power plugs, connectors, receivers, cable types, etc. Physical layer sends data bits from one device or devices like a computer to another devices. Physical layer defines the types of encoding, that is how the O's and 1's are encoded in a signal. Physical layer is responsible for the communication of the instructed raw data streams over a physical medium. This includes the layout of pins, voltages, cables, specifications, hubs, repeaters network, adapters, host bus adapters, or HBA used in storage area networks, and more. The major functions and services performed by the physical layer are establishment and termination of a connection to a communication medium, participation in the process whereby communication resources are effectively shared among multiple users, modulation or conversion between the representation of digital data in user equipment and the corresponding signals transmitted over a communication channel. These are signals operating over the physical cabling such as copper and optical fiber, or over a radio link. The physical layer provides an electrical, mechanical, and procedural interface to the transmission medium, the shapes and properties of the electrical connectors. Conclusion. Physical layer maintains the data rate, or how many bits a sender can send per second. It performs synchronization of bits. It helps in transmission medium decision or direction of data transfer. The physical layer is the lowest layer in the OSI reference model. It is in charge of establishing a physical connection between the devices. Bits of information are stored in the physical layer. It is in charge of sending individual bits from one node to another.